Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can upload your store. You will get, as you know, you will get the store in a zip file from me, and now is the time to upload it. But before you upload it, we have to do some settings first. This is the new WordPress installation we have done last time. So let's clear up a bit here the environment. How you can do is click here screen options and untick here all these things. Alright, then you have to go to settings and here on general, here you can change your site title. You can put your actually you will have your own domain, so you will put your own name, here some short description. Here you should add your own email, so this will be the admin email. Here you should click anyone can register, leave the rest how it is, and save changes. Then you have to go to permalinks and just click here which says post name. Click saves. Alright, next we have to go to plugins. Click there. These two plugins are already pre-installed with a WordPress installation, so we have to delete them. Alright, and I will go to delete also the themes that already exist on the WordPress installation. We'll go to appearance and themes. So we have here three themes. We'll click theme details, and here on the right bottom we'll click delete. Okay, next one, theme details, delete. Okay, the last one there is not this option, so we'll leave it how it is. We'll delete it later. So before we install, we're almost done and ready to install the store. Before we install the store, we should install a plugin, which is the plugin will help us import the store. So we'll go to plugins, add new. Okay, now we have to install the plugin, and this plugin I will provide it to you. I will provide it to you in a zip file. So you have to go here to upload plugin, choose file, then you choose the file that I will give you with this plugin. This plugin is called all-in-one WP migration. This plugin exists, has an updated version, but the updated version has some limitations, so we use the old version which working very well. So I will provide this plugin to you. It's a free plugin. So you click to upload this plugin, and then you click install now, and then you click activate plugin. Alright, you see here on the left there is this option, all-in-one WP migration, and here, watch out, it says that there is a new version and it's asked you to update now if you want. But don't do this, don't update, because we want the older version of this plugin. Okay, so now we will go to click here on the import, because we want to import the website. Here we click import from, and then we click file. This file actually is the website. I will provide this website. This is what you buy from me. So this file I will provide it to you. You click file, and then here is a file for this demonstration. You click on the file, and now it will start to upload the website. Alright, until the upload is done, I want to show you something else. sometimes when you have a new hosting or a new WordPress installation, actually when you have a new hosting, you have some limits on uploading file size. It can be 256 megabytes, 128 or more or less. So to make sure that you will not have any problem to upload your zip file, your store, I will show you how you can change the limit. Let's explain you. I'm here on my cPanel. So if you have hosting, you have a cPanel as I told you. We have to click PHP, then click select PHP version. Now you have to click options and you have to go down here and see. So here it says upload max file size. You see this? Yeah. So for you it can be like 32 megabytes, 64, depending your hosting. But you can come here and you can change it. On mine also goes, if I remember correctly, 256, and I have changed it to 1 giga. So that means that I can upload files to my WordPress and to my server up to 1 giga big, which is quite large. So one thing we have to change here is this. You have to set it at least 512. Or I have set it on 1 giga to be sure. Alright, and one more thing you have to change here. Let me see. Here, it says max execution time. What is this? It says here is the maximum time in seconds a script is allowed to run before it is terminated. So it means that if, let's say, depends the limit, in 10 minutes is not uploaded, a file, it stops you. So we don't want this. We want to give enough time to upload the file. So I have made it 10,000 seconds. This number is in seconds, not in minutes. So put it at least 5,000 to be sure that you will upload your file and you will not have a problem. So these two things you have to change here, and you don't have to click somewhere save, it's already saved automatically. So that I wanted to show you, it's very important because you can see that it's not uploading the file and you don't know why. Okay, we can see now that we have to click on proceed to continue the procedure. Now it will take some time until it's totally completed. Alright, now we have to click close. And the website has been imported. We have to refresh the page. Alright, here you can see now that it's asking us to log in again. The reason behind this is because the new website we have installed now has its own username and its own password. This username and this password I will provide to you. So we cannot log in anymore with the old username and password. So here I will put a new username which I will provide to you. Alright, we are in. As you can see now, everything is imported. The plugin is here on the left side. Let's click on dashboard. Yes, we have the store. you don't need it anymore, this plugin. You can go here on the plugins and you can find this all-in-one WP migration and deactivate it. And then click delete. Alright. Now let's go and see how it looks, the website. Voila! You have your store. In the next video, I will show you how you will customize the store and all the details you need to change to make it your own. You need to upload your own logo. You need to put your PayPal and some other customizations you have to do. So as you can see, this is the website. It's full. It's a normal website. Let's open a product to see. Alright. It's working. You see, it's the new domain. It's the new WordPress installation. And it's working totally fine. It is so simple to upload your store. Now you have your store. Some more customizations and you are done. You are ready. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.